Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Madam Q. I hope all of you can still remember me. Okay, how are you today? I hope all of you are in the pink of health. I hope all of you are fine and in the finest state of health. As for me, I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. Okay, before we begin, I would like to ask you, how was last week's lesson? Was it beneficial? Was it meaningful? If you have any problems with it, you can contact me anytime. Okay? Alright, for today, we are still in the first topic, which is Unit 1, Reading A Window to the World. However, we are learning the new skill, which is writing. Are you ready, everyone? Let's start. Okay, today's learning objective are to rewrite the passage using correct punctuation and to write a simple book report with correct punctuation. Okay, everyone, I give you 1 minute to read this text. Let's read it. Okay, how do you find the text? Can you read it properly? Can you read it with intonation? Can you read it with understandings? Can you understand the text? Okay, now I would like to ask you, why is this text difficult to comprehend, to understand? Why? Yes, you're right. It is because this text has, I would say, not less, I would say no punctuation at all, right? Okay. Okay, I missed this slide. Okay, this is why punctuation is very important. Okay, punctuation ni bahasa Melayunya adalah tanda bacaan lah. Okay, the punctuations in English are just the same with bahasa Melayu. There are commas, apostrophe, hyphen tu dash, ellipsis, full stop, and so forth, and so on and so forth. Alright, let us dig in more. Alright, punctuation helps us to read, write, and understand the text better. Okay, punctuation ni membantu kita untuk membaca, menulis dan memahami teks dengan lebih baik. Alright, let us look at the picture. Let's eat grandma and let's eat grandma. Remember, punctuation saves lives. Faham tak? Okay, ayat yang di atas menyebutkan let's eat grandma. Jom makan nenek. Dan yang di bawah tu, jom makan nenek. Ada beza kan? Bila diletakkan koma dekat situ, jadinya maksud tu dah jadi lebih mudah difahami. Kalau tidak, boleh membunuh kan? Punctuation saves lives. Kalau tidak, matilah nenek tu kena makan. Alright. Next. Full stop. Full stop ni titik. Okay. A full stop is placed at the end of a complete sentence. Next. A comma. A comma is used to separate phrases or items in list. Kalau awak nak banyak benda, awak boleh separate it with commas. Okay. Next. Question marks. Tanda soal. A question mark is placed at the end of a sentence when asking a question. Next. Capital letters. A capital letter is used to begin a sentence in proper nouns and in direct speech. Huruf besar lah Okay, next. Exclamation marks. Exclamation marks ni tanda seru. An exclamation mark is placed at the end of a sentence to show strong emotions. Macam tanda seru lah. Wow. Okay. Wow. Amazing. Wonderful. Okay. You can put exclamation mark there. Next. quotation marks. Quotation marks ni pembuka dan penutup kata. A quotation mark is used in a sentence of questions to indicate speech or conversations. Okay. Alright, now let's try this. Punctuate this sentence. Tan and his wife Jenny live in a village by the seaside. Okay, kalau tanpa punctuation, ayat tu straight aja. Awak pernah baca tak message daripada sesiapa ataupun post dekat Facebook ke, artikel ke, senang kata WhatsApp message lah, yang straight je tak ada punctuation. Rasa macam serabut je baca kan? Okay. Now, let us try to punctuate this sentence. I give you 30 seconds. Okay. Is it time? Okay. Let's try and look who answered this correctly. Okay. Alright. With punctuation, the sentence is better. Right? Okay, next. Your task. Okay, your task is to complete the exercises in page 6 textbook. This textbook. Okay, page 6. Okay, this one. Yang rewrite the sentence and then rewrite the passage. Menulis semula ayat dan menulis semula perenggan. Alright. Now, we are moving to the next slide, which is writing a book report. Okay. When you read a book and write what you think about the story, it is called a book report. Book report ni macam lebih kurang macam aktiviti nilam lah. Awak baca buku, lepas tu awak buat laporan. Okay, your opinion can either be positive or negative. Up to you. Okay, awak punya pendapat, awak punya perasaan. How do you feel about the story you read? Okay, so awak boleh buatlah book report. Okay, alright. How are we going to write a book report? Okay, alright. In this slide, I'm showing you an example of a book report. Okay, kalau awak nak tengok lebih jelas, you can look in your textbook page 7. Okay, a storybook entitled Little House on the Prairie. Okay, now in a book report, you must have title, author tu pengarang lah, genre dia tu adalah genre dia, jenis dia. Okay, characters are the watak. Okay, and the synopsis. Synopsis ni maksudnya cerita ringkas. Keseluruhannya apabila awak baca cerita tu, apa yang awak faham? What do you understand from the story? Okay, about Little House on the Prairie, the story is about a family that moves into a new town. They work hard to make this new place their home. They learn about survival skills and the importance of family values. Okay, opinion about the books. Your idea, your thoughts of the books. Okay. Why do you like the book or why don't you like the book? If you like the book, macam dalam this book report, I like the book because it is exciting and interesting. Laura experiences a lot of adventures in her new home. Okay, so awak rasa cerita ni seram ke? Cerita ni menyeronokkan ke? Cerita ni menyakutkan ke? Whatever. Okay, and the moral values or knowledge you gain from the story. You must have gained something from the story. Takkanlah awak baca buku tu sekadar suka-suka je kan? There must be a lesson, moral values or knowledge. Something from that which you can learn from. Okay, for example, in the Little House on the Prairie, dapat yang dalam textbook ni, I learned the importance of family values, honesty and hard work. Melalui cerita ni, saya belajar kepentingan. Importance tu maksudnya kepentingan, nilai-nilai kekeluargaan, family values, honesty, kejujuran and hard work. Alright? Okay, this is a simple book record. Okay, alright. Now, your task. I want you to write a simple book report for this book. Okay, this book ni maksudnya buku yang saya akan bagi tahu kemudian lah dalam link WhatsApp group awak. Okay, I want you to read this short story, this very thin ebook, sikit je, okay? And write a simple book report for the book. Okay? Alright, that's all for now. Thank you everyone for listening, and I hope to see you soon. Okay? Please complete the task given to you. Okay? Till next time.